recorded also. Okay, so you can afterwards watch it also, and you can come up with the queries in the group. Okay, so do not hesitate to ask, even a smallest of a query, because until and unless you ask, I would not be able to understand whether you have gone into that depth which I want or not. Okay, so I'll start my session. Okay, we are going to start with beginners, then we'll come into intermediate, and at last we are going to go on advanced level. So since we have a mixed population right now, so some might not get interest in beginners, some might not get interest in intermediate, and some might not get interest in advanced. So my only request is you try to see each and everything, try to grab each and everything possible. And if you have any queries, then we can work upon it. Okay. So I'll just share my screen, and straight away we'll go on our first thing, that is beginner session, right? So if everybody can see the screen, you can give a thumbs up so that I can know. Right. I must say you guys are expert in Zoom. Huh? Everybody like thumbs up. Great. So beginners is what we are going to start. So when we talk about Excel, so these are this is the main workbook that we say. So this is the whole workbook. Okay. So it has various sheets. Just like I have content and then sheet 1. Okay. I can have more than one, maybe 100, maybe 150 sheets. Okay. So these are the sheets that we call. So you need to understand that workbook is different and the sheet is different. When we are talking about sheet, we are talking about this sheet 1. And when we are talking about workbook, we are talking about the whole workbook, which includes content and sheet. Okay. So if we talk about the basics, so this is these cells, you can move through your arrow key. Okay. So through arrow keys, you can move your cells wherever you want to write. Just like I want to write here, easy learning or learning made easy. Okay. So learning made easy, I have written. Okay. So now you see, if I want to add something onto it, right? I have written this, and if I want to add something onto it, so I should not start writing over it. Otherwise, the other thing will go away. So what I'll do is that I will have to press function key plus F2, or in some system it works with F2 also. Okay. So you need to press F2, and then you need to add whatever you want to add. Just like I want to add exclamation mark. Okay. And then enter. So I have added this by pressing function F2. Okay. So is that clear? Just give one thumbs up, anybody. So more thumbs will come. We'll move faster, right? Okay. Great. That's it. Great. So I want to have some volunteer who keeps on having this thumbs up. Otherwise, I will keep on speaking and you would not be able to listen. Okay. So great, Mohit. Great. So now this learning made easy I have written, but it is going out of this cell. So it is going somewhere in D. So what I want to do is that I want to show it in a single cell. So what I'll do is that I'll go here. See, there is a plus sign, and here it is coming arrow. So if I click, whenever there is an arrow that comes in, and when I click, double click, so then it expands. Okay. Understood? Again, thumbs up. We need to cover a lot of stuff. So please, guys, you need to be a bit fast. Right, Mohit, thank you. So now we will somewhere discuss this home tab today. So what all the things that are there in this home tab. Okay. So the first thing is paste. Okay. So first, before paste, you need to copy. Okay. So this is copy. So suppose I want to here this learn made easy. I want to copy it in all the cells till 10. Okay. So what I'll do is that I'll just press on this learn made easy. I'll press copy, and I'll move this onto the other cell. Then through shift and arrow, I need to select these cells, and then again from here I'll do paste. Understood? Any problem? Give thumbs up so that we can go ahead, please. Only Mohit is giving thumbs up. Others, everybody is fine with it. These are very simple things that I'm discussing. Okay. No other thumbs are coming. Until unless you put, give your thumbs up, you would not be able to continue further, because I will not be able to understand. Yeah, Archit, great, Archit, great. So 2 or 3 thumbs means somewhere I am, on my point. Okay. So this is, somebody has put on his voice, so please mute it. So now, so this learning made easy has been copied to till 10. Okay. Now I need to do some formatting to it. Okay. So this learning made easy, I want it to be on a different font. So what I'll do is that I'll just press shift and drag it to the cell where it is written learning made easy. Okay. And then I'll go here. Okay. And this is an option of bold. So if I put bold, then it will turn into bold. So see, bold means it becomes a bit dark. Just like that, if I put it italic, so this italic, right? If I put it underline, this underline, right? And if I want to put any other font, just like I want to put some kind of cursive form or some kind of this kind of form. So see, this kind of form is coming. Understood? Thumbs up, please. Great, Shivan, great. Good going. So now this is okay. Again, I'll press shift, arrow keys down till 10. Then I go to this tab. I need to increase the size. So I'll make it 20. Okay. So now again, I have made it 20, but what is happening? It is going from C to D. What I need to do, I need to go here and wait for the arrow to come. When the arrow comes, then I'll press double click. Understood? Okay. Are we okay? Right. Right. One more thumbs up, please. Great, Shivani. So now coming back to it again, shift, arrow down till 10. Okay. Now I want to change the color of the background. So what I'll do is that I have already selected it. Now I'll press this yellow. So this has turned out to be a yellow. Okay. Then I want this text to go red. Then I'll press this as red. So again, it has gone red. Now, if I increase the cells like this, okay. If I'll increase the cell size like this, okay. If I have increased the cell size, everything is visible. Thumbs up, please. Everything is visible. Yes, okay. So I have just zoomed it out also. So now see, there is a lot of space in the cell, right? I want my text to be at the left side, in the center or the right. So what I'll do is that I'll just I'll press shift and then go down till 10. Till 10 I have gone. Now I'll press this. So after pressing this, nothing happened because it is already in the left side. So when we are going to move it in right side, it will keep on changing. Okay. So
Manish Bajaj wants to join.
Yeah. I have got this notification. And please, keep yourself mute. I am getting some sound, which is actually creating a lot of issue. So please, be on mute. And I have admitted those people who were about to come, and now they have joined. Okay. So congratulations, guys. We are 26. And it is a very good number. It is an overwhelming number, and I am glad that you all got associated with me, and hopefully we are going to have a good time around. So coming back to it, So we, this cells, I have actually dragged it. I have made it quite big. So now I want this text in the center. So I'll press center. So it has come into center. If I put right, it will come into right. If I put this, then it will somewhere go up. And if I put this, it will somewhere go in the middle. If I put this, it will somewhere go into the bottom. So this is how you can actually change your text as per your requirement. Okay, understood? Understood? Thumbs up, please. Right. So now see, this learning made easy is in cell C. So I just want to tell you that, see, I'll just zoom in a bit. See, this is C cell. Okay, it is written C, and the row is 1. So rows and column you need to understand to go further. So this is column C and row 1. This is column C and row 2. This is column C and row 3. This is column C and row 4. Because these columns and rows need to be understood very clearly to learn Excel to a greater extent. Okay. So now this is fine with you. Okay. So now we are going to go further. Now suppose this learning made easy is written in cell C. Okay. And now I want to add cell D, E, F also, and show somewhere show the learning made easy in all 3 columns in combination. So what I'll do is that I'll just press shift and arrow key D 1, 2, 3 or 4 till G. I have selected this and I need to press merge and center. So what has happened is that the learning made easy has gone to till column G, right? So this is how you can merge text. Okay. Now I am going to unmerge it. Okay, so we are back on our initial data. I'll just squeeze this. See, I have squeezed it. I don't want to actually increase the width of the column. Okay. You are all everybody is getting me? Thumbs up, please. Great, Vishal. Great. So now see, this is going in B and D also. I don't want it to look like this, and at the same time, I don't want to do this also. Okay. So in that case, what I'll do is that I'll just do wrap text. Okay. So I'll just press shift, then down, 310, and then I'll press hello. Can you hear me? Thumbs up, please. Okay. So now this I have selected and I need to do wrap text. So see, everything has come into the same column, but when it comes to rows, somewhere it is not showing the exact the exact words. The way we used to do for column, we are going to do the same for rows also. So here you put your cursor and then double click. See, it is expanding. Can you all see? Thumbs up. Okay. Great, Vishal. Great. Okay. So moving forward, now somewhere we are entering into intermediate. Okay. So intermediate people also start taking things now. So now suppose this this in this cell I put some figures, say 1,000 rupees or maybe 10,000. Okay, I'll just zoom in. So 10,000 I have put. Okay, so now I need to convert it in dollar. So here there is a dollar sign. So if I press dollar, then it will show $10,000. But we are living in India. What I'll do is that I'll just press this arrow and I'll try to find Indian currency. Right now it is not there, but here you can put more accounting formats and you can add Indian currency into it also. So here right now it is dollar, so it is showing dollar. So you can add rupee sign also. Okay. Now see, this is very important. So here, see, many options are there. So wherever it is written accounting, there are many options. So one is general, one is number, one is currency, accounting, short date, long date, time, percentage, fraction, text. Okay. So since it is a number, this is a number, so I'll put number, not general. So what it did was it put it in number. So suppose if I write one more number here and I try to do a sum of it, and I'll just change it to number and I'll do the sum of it. This plus this. So it is giving me an answer of 30,000. Why it is giving me an answer of 30,000? Because I have put this into numbers. So until unless you put it in numbers, you will not get the formulas right. So if there is a number, then you need to put number. If there are any text, you need to put text, and that is how you need to work upon. One more thing I want to show you here. Supposing if I add some space here, if I try to add some space here, okay. Just a second. Okay, so if I want to add some space here, it is not allowing me because it is a number. So in number, you cannot have space. If you have space, then it will not show you the correct formula. Okay. So that's why it is very important to select number here for numbers. Or for text, you need to select text wherever you want to add some space or something like that. Okay. Everybody is okay? Shall we move forward? Other thumbs up, please. We need to go on advanced also, right? So now conditional formatting. So now comes conditional formatting. Just a second, some people more have come. So let them join also. So now this conditional formatting, okay. So conditional formatting is what I'll just not go into the details of it because it is a very big area. I'll just show you how it works for a single cell. So suppose we have 10,000, 20,000, 30,000. So we might have lakhs of entries. So this Excel goes till how much? 10,48,576. So that much line items I can have, right? So this line can go into thousands and lakhs as well. Okay. So in this case, if I want to somewhere highlight a particular cell, then how to do that? So if I select these three figures, I go in conditional formatting, this first column, highlight cell rules. So highlight cell rules, the first column it is showing greater than. So I select greater than. So it will ask me greater than what? So if I say select greater than 15,000. So what it is doing? It is actually selecting more than 15,000 value, and I can also choose the color. So suppose if it is more than 15,000, then make it green. So here it has made it green, and okay, this is the filter, right? So suppose say for example here if I change the figure 10,000, so the color has changed because it is not actually fulfilling the condition. And suppose if I put it here 50,000, then it will change. If I put 15,000, what will happen? It will not change because what you have given a condition is it should be greater than 15,000. So if it is equal to 15,000, then it will not go, it will not take. Then you need to actually go further and put more formulas to it. Okay, understood? Thumbs up, please. Fast. Great. Okay. So now this format table and cells I'll discuss in the coming period of time. So now there is a column of insert. Okay. So suppose I want to insert a column. just like suppose this column is not there. If I want to support, if I want to insert a column, what I do is that I need to, just like what we used to do with arrows, we used to expand the cell. Okay. So with arrows only, I need, see, there is one more arrow is coming. Can you see it? Black color arrow, which I am moving. So this is for selecting the whole column. So I have selected the whole column and go to insert. Okay. So insert cell. What it did, it actually created a column. So suppose if I again go insert and insert cell. So it has again created the column. Now we'll see how to create rows. So for rows, again, I need to select one row. So suppose, see, here again, it is the arrow is coming. If I click on this, this whole arrow is, this row is selected. And now what I need to do is that again, I need to go into insert and I need to go to do insert cells. Okay. So if I put insert cell, then it will add a row, not a column. So I want you all to understand the concept of rows and columns because it is very crucial to understand Excel. Okay. So if there is any doubt, you can write it down and you can ask me at the end of the session. Okay. So just going a bit ahead. See, just like I have added an arrow, I can also remove an arrow. So I just select it. I'll go into delete and delete cells. So it has deleted it. Now I'll go into E, press delete. So it will delete. Again, I'll select, press delete. Again, I select, press delete. And here also, if I want to delete the column, select it, delete, delete. Understood? Format, we are going to take it in detail because it is a very important thing to know. Okay. Now again, see, we are on intermediate role now. Okay. So intermediate also has started and gradually we are going to go into advanced mode also. So try to feel that, try to, somewhere feel things. Okay. So I'll go a bit back. I have actually, not taken these into consideration when I was giving this figures. So suppose I have written 10,000. See, 10,000, it is very difficult to count. So suppose if I put, okay, 1 lakh, 10 lakh, 1 crore. Okay. So it is very difficult to actually count the figures, how much it is, whether it is 10 lakh or 1 crore. Many of us find it quite difficult. So what we can do is that we can just select the cell in which we want to have some commas and press this comma. So now what has happened? I can clearly see it is 1 crore. Understood? Many people find it very difficult to understand whether it is 1 crore or 10 lakh because till 1 lakh we have the habit of seeing the figures. After that we somewhere fumble. So what you can do is that you can just put comma. But now my situation has become worse because some more zeros have come. Though there is a point, but some more zeros have come. So what I do is that I just press on this. So decrease decimal. So decrease decimal 1, 2. So it has decreased the decimal. So now it is easily visible that it is 1 crore. Okay. Understood? Suppose in this cell, I want to put a percentage. Okay. So if I put 10, that means 10%. So it is only showing 10. Okay. And now if I put it percent, so it is showing 1000%. So what we do whenever we want to have percentage. So in that column, you can select the whole column like this. You have selected the column and you can press here percentage or control shift percentage if you want to use the shortcut of it. Okay, percentage. Some more people are still coming. I don't know, 130 they are coming. Okay, never mind. So select this percentage. Okay, so now if I write 10, it will say 10%, 20%, 30%, 40%. Earlier, what was happening? I was putting 10, and when I used to press the percentage, it used to show me 10,000, 1,000. So I again need to press 10, and now it is going to show 10. Understood? Thumbs up, please. I need to go on to, we are running short of time. I need to go on to the advanced level also. So now we are going to start the advanced level, right? Many of you might be, somewhere waiting for it. So here we are. I hope everybody is with me. Nobody sleeping by, having a mute and by having no video, right? So see, in Excel, there are a lot of tools through which you can actually automate a lot of your work. One of the tools that we use is called VBA, Visual Basic. So how many of you have heard about Visual Basic in Excel? Can you just show the thumbs? Please pass. If anybody has ever, read or somewhere, got to know about VBA, Visual Basic in Excel. Nobody? At least Neeru might be there. Neeru might be aware of it. Okay, heard of it, never used it. Okay. Where is Neeru? Neeru is online?
Yes, sir. I'm online.
Neeru. So you might have heard about VBA, right?
Okay. Yeah, I write something VBA, but not more much.
Right. So here comes the interesting part. Okay?
I can apply ready-made.
Understood. Yeah. It is very easy. It is very easy, Neeru. I'll just tell you. It is very easy. Okay.
Okay.
So
okay.
Yeah. So mute yourself. I'll just explain.
Okay.
So now see, this is the high-level Excel that we use. We professionals use. What happens is that suppose I want to add a sheet. So what I do is that I'll just right-click here, okay, and I'll say insert. So there will be a sheet that would be inserted. Okay, so sheet 2 has been inserted. All I've seen that. Again, if I right-click and put insert. So again, I can insert a sheet. Okay. Now this sheet 2, sheet 3, what I did, I have right-clicked and insert, right-clicked and insert. So suppose if I ask you to create 100 sheets, then what would you do? Again and again, you will do the same activity and it will take you hours, right? So there is a tool called VBA. So through VBA, you need to write a code and you need to run that code again and again. Understood? I'll show you the practical example of it. So for that, you need to have a developer tab, just like here it is there, developer tab. Go to developer tab. There is a Visual Basic left on a left. Okay, just click on Visual Basic. There is this sheet that comes in. Okay. So these are the properties of Visual Basic. These are the projects. So Visual Basic is considered as a project. So you always, whenever you use Visual Basic, you are actually creating a project. See, I am just trying to tell you that this is very advanced Excel. Those who actually have some know-how about it will get it. Those who do not have any know-how, they will not get it. So don't worry about it. Okay, it is very easy. Step by step, you can learn. And those who are experts into it, just like CA Pradeep is there, Neeru is there, and other people are there, other chartered accountants are there. They might be very familiar with these things. So they can very well understand. So if you are not getting anything, don't think that it is not possible. It is very easy. As Neeru mentioned, that once you learn how to actually put it, you only need the formula. Nobody in the world knows each and every formula. So how to put it is what you need to see. So I'll just show you how to add and how to delete a sheet. So suppose if I have gone to this tray. See, can you see this tray which I am moving? Thumbs up, please. Thumbs up, please. Yeah. So I see here I have already created one module. So how to create a module? You need to go into insert and then create a module. Okay, so this fresh module has been created. You can name it here ABC, and this ABC module has been created here. See, it has come here. The same way I have created add sheet module also. So I'll just double click on add sheet module. So there is a formula that came in. So it says sub is the starting of the formula. This is the code that we are writing. please understand this is the work that engineers do. This is the work for which they are paid in lakhs and even crores also. The apps that you use in every day in your life is based on these codings. So this, just like this, there is one line coding here. There are like lakhs of lines of coding, and there is a copy paste that goes on, and that is how your app works, and that is how your phone also works. Okay, so this is something that is very interesting. This might not be of your interest, but it can make your life very easy. I'll show you. So sub, create sub. Okay, add sheet. This you can name as per your wish. There is no compulsion. There is no formula or something like that. This name you can put anything, but you need to put sub, and this blue part you need to put sub space. This name you put whatever name. I can put Rahul also here. There is no issue. Okay, and in last you need to put these two brackets in order to close. Okay, now this first line you need to take care. You need to do it like this. Okay, and in the second, if you press enter, then you will go into the second line. So in second line, what I have written, sheet dot add dot name. मतलब एक sheet जो है उसको पहले add करो. First you add that sheet and then name it as EOTG Excel on the go, और end कर दो. Understood? Simple. What I am saying to the system is, I don't want to right click and insert again and again, right? I don't want to right click and insert again and again. All I want is, I want to create sheet. Understood? So what we will do, we will just put sub, this name, this bracket, then enter sheet dot add dot name. This is formula. Space is equal to whatever I need to write in Excel. Whatever you need to write in a formula, you need to put in inverted commas. Okay, so you need to put in inverted commas and end sub. Okay, end sub is the end of the formula. So always you need to put end sub, right? End sub is very important. Until unless you put it, formula will not get completed. So once I have written the whole formula, what I need to do, I need to run this formula, because after writing the formula, there is nothing that has happened on the sheet. So far everybody is with me. Everybody can actually see it. We are going to discuss it in very detail. I have more than 100 formulas in VBA that one can use. So it is a very detailed concept. We can learn it going forward, and gradually we can learn it. We cannot learn it in a day, right? So don't worry that if you are not getting this thing, but I'll make sure it is very easy and you can do it, right? So now this formula has been written. Now the only thing that I need to do is that I need to run this formula. So I'll just click on this run button, run sub user form. So this is a user form and sub, see sub, SUB. So what it is saying, run SUB. So what I am writing SUB. I am writing SUB and it is asking me to run SUB, right? So I'll just run it. So if I press here, see here, there is an Excel sheet that has come, EOTG Excel on the go. But with the same name, you cannot create two sheets. So I'll just just put one here. Okay. For example, I have put space 1, and now again I run it. See, one more sheet is there. Press 2. See, one more sheet is there. Can you see, or can you all see the sheets getting added? Thumbs up, please. 3, add. 4, add. So you tell me one thing. Is it easy to again right click again and again, and then first you right click and then insert a tab, then rename it and then put name? Is this better, or this activity is better? Of course, this activity is better, because what I am doing is that once the code is written, I can even write 1 lakh, and if I write 1 lakh and run, see, 1 lakh sheet has been created. So this is actually a magic of Excel. So where your time can be saved like anything. Suppose if I manually create these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sheets. It will take me at least 5 to 10 minutes to create. But now what we have done is that once I know the formula, I have done it just like that. So since we have already created a lot of sheets, now it is time to delete some sheets. So this is delete. So again, I'll put double click. Okay. So what it says is that sub delete. Again, you can put anything. This name is not meant. This name is actually not relevant. You can put anything, right? But you need to put sub space this bracket. Understood? Understood, everybody? Thumbs up, please. Thumbs up, thumbs up. Yes, yes. Okay, great. So what I am doing is that I am writing sheet 11 because sheet 11 is not there with me. So I have this sheet, EOTG, okay, EOTG 1 lakh. So suppose I want to delete this sheet. So what I'll do is that I'll just put that, whatever I need to delete. Okay, I have put that and I need to run the call. Sorry. Just a second, guys. Just a second, I'm coming back. There are some issues with my Excel, so it is getting restarted. Can you see the screen now? Hello? Can you see the screen, everybody? Thumbs up, please. Okay, Vandana. Okay, thanks. So there was some issue with the VBA, that sheet. That's why it was, being recovered. So it's actually somewhere got deleted or something like that. So this was the formula: sub delete sheet 2. So sheet 2 is there here. Okay, I want to delete it. So I need to run it. I think that there's some issue with this Excel because we'll just do one thing. We'll just insert one more. I think I need to save this and then we will be able to do it. Yeah, while saving also you need to understand what we are actually what we are using is this macro enabled workbook. So until unless you do that, you would not be able to use macros, that is VBA. So you need to always save this sheet in VBA. Okay. So now it is saved. Let us try one more time how it goes. So there is some issue. Again, I'll do one thing. I'll just create a module sub underscore delete sorry, sub space delete underscore sheet bracket. The end sub automatically comes. Okay. Once you enter this, then I need to actually delete sheet 2 dot delete. Or maybe we can write EOTG space bracket Excel on the go bracket 4 dot delete. There's some issue that is coming with this VBA. So I'll just get back to you onto it. Okay, right now it is not allowing me, or if we have time, just I'll just try to try it in some other document. Maybe there might be an issue with the document. Just a second. So the only thing that worries us is these errors. Okay, sometimes in Excel, it keeps on putting one or the other error, and then it becomes very difficult to actually, do it. So suppose I have created sheet 2, and I'll put sheet 2 dot delete. No, sir, some error is coming. Okay, no worries. I'll just show it to you in the tomorrow session. Okay, again, right? So I think we are already. I think 10 minutes are left on Skin 2. So I have a presentation to share with you all regarding this Excel community and this the whole EOTG that we have created. Okay. So this is the presentation. Everybody can see it? Thumbs up, please. I have not been able to see the thumbs up. Can you see this? Is the sheet visible to you all? You can see, okay. Okay, I'll just again start it. Okay. Now I am starting this presentation. Okay. See, this is our community EOTG. So it is not only about Excel. It is about much more courses. So if you might have seen my logo in Excel, this group, I have written EOTG and Excel made easy. So the EOTG community is basically for learning made easy. So our main focus is to make this learning quite easy, quite accessible to all the people, right? So the only point is that these Excel and other automated things that are allowed, we want you all to know it and use it. So this is the introduction. EOTG community is an initiative taken by a group of experts from different domains to meet together and provide an online platform to aspiring students and as well as professionals. EOTG has been formed with an intent to provide quality training to the aspirant and build a strong and long-lasting bond with its members. So it is not about any commercial activity. It is more about having a community. So community to learn. So we should have members who are interested, who are keen to learn one or the other new skills. Just like VBA was something that was new to me maybe 6 months ago, but now I'm quite familiar to it. So we want such like-minded people to come together so that we can have sessions, we can learn ourselves, and we can give sessions to the other person as well. So EOTG has found with an intent to provide quality training to the aspirants and build a strong and long-lasting bond. So our focus is to provide quality services, okay, whatever the doubts that you have, and we want you to use things in practical environment. That's why I am suggesting you, if there is any query that comes in Excel, you just keep me posted. We will try our best to resolve the matters. Many times it happens that we are somewhere stuck, just like I am stuck right now with this VBA, and somewhere Neeru messaged me and told me, sir, with the same formula I can delete the sheet. So actually, these things happen with each and every one of us, that we somewhere get, while working, we somewhere get stuck in our work and we don't know who to call, right? So we are here to help you. At the same time, when we are in trouble, just like I am in trouble, I'll straight away call to Neeru, who is another expert into the field, and I'll ask him about these things. So we are trying to make a community which can help each other, right? Our aim is to build strong reputation with the help of our qualified team of professionals. So what we are suggesting is, we are going to have a community where we will be having various people from various streams. You will have our courses also, very dynamic courses are there. It has very less linkage between each other, because what we are focusing on, we are just trying to have somebody who is expert into the field to give sessions and provide knowledge base to our students. Okay, so we provide training on online platform with never heard before prices. So the prices that we are offering, as I told you earlier, that it is not a commercial activity per se. I'll just take the opportunity to introduce myself also. I am a chartered accountant, and I am into full-time job. I am into full-time stock trading. I am into taking the projects from various companies. So I am a permanent employee of one company, and at the same time, I am taking a lot of projects from different MNCs, which are related to Excel, which are related to SAP. So actually, they give me contracts for SAP, and I fulfill it on my weekends, and then I give it back to them. So at the same time, I am I am into public speaking for last 10 years now. So it is actually my passion to have public speaking at the center. So my main focus is that everybody who is in this testing time, everybody who is at home should actually utilize the time that they have. So our main purpose is to have a utilization of the time. Okay, so and we are 100% online. We do not have any offline facility of learning as of now. So sessions covered. MS Office. See, we have been talking about Excel only, but I teach Excel, PowerPoint, and Word, all three of them. So this PPT has been made on PowerPoint also. So I have experience in overall, MS Office. Stock market, again, I have my trainers also, and I am also quite involved into it. Public speaking, again, I take care, and I have a trainer. I have a partner, which we are going to see in the next slide. We have partner who is 30 years experience, more than 30 years who has more than 30 years of experience in teaching public speaking, and I have been myself the student of that classes. So those are our partners now. Career counseling, again, I have more than 3 or 4 professional chartered accountants, professional engineers who can give career counseling to various students. Then motivational sessions, every now and then you will get free motivational sessions from our side. It can be on the basis of some book, it can be on the basis of some event, or it can be on the basis of some of the historical facts, right? And yoga and meditation also we are working out. We are in talks with one of our trainers who is expert into the field in yoga and meditation. So if he is interested, or if there might be applicants that might be ready, we can have an online session of yoga also. And last but not the least, SAP. So I am myself a certified SAP accountant. I have got my certificate. I have done my training into SAP. So I have end-to-end SAP knowledge, that too for PICO. MM and SD, I have faculty with me, which we are going to go into the next slide and see. So our team is somewhere confined to chartered accountants, IT professionals are there, professional stock brokers are there, sorry, stock traders are there. Stock traders, I mean those people who actually start their trading at 9 and end at 3:30. So those traders who actually sit on in stock market for throughout the throughout the day 24 throughout the day for the 5 days of trading, they sit there, they analyze, and it is not some kind of gamble that they do. It is strictly on the basis of fundamental analysis that we are going to talk about in our coming sessions that I am going to conduct. Then professional physical trainer, as I told you that physical trainer, we are in talks with yoga trainer. So most probably he will also be ready to give online classes to you all, and even recordings, we will be able to provide the recordings of the same. And professional counselors, again, as I told you that we have counselors who can actually counsel these students, right? So this is our partner for public speaking. You all can see. Is it visible? Thumbs up, please. Okay. So this is, Shahid sir. I have been associated with him for the last 10 years. And, whatever the communication that I have been able to do is because of him. And he is actually best in the business when we talk about Bhopal. And I am glad that he actually agreed to have an association with us. Usually he doesn't have association with outside, consultants and others. But he has been kind enough to have an association with us. So he's associated with us. So when it comes to public speaking, we will arrange a session of him also. I am also there, and his own online classes are there, which I also take on a regular basis. So these are the propositions that we have. So as I told you that for SAP, I have learned SAP from an institute which was SAP Solution A to Z. So I have become a founded member of it also. So we are 3 people who are working for for providing SAP solutions and SAP trainings to various professionals, right? So now the project that I was talking about, I actually since we are into SAP, so we get a lot of projects on various MNCs, and trust me, we have been working for more than 1 year with them. We have not even seen their faces. So the scenario has totally changed. You can actually work from home, and you can actually give a productive output when you are working from home, right? So these IT companies, and there is the boom that is going to come in IT. So when you are familiar with Excel is a mandatory thing. When you are familiar with SAP, and when you are familiar with languages, the VBA that I was talking about, then your technical knowledge and your expertise, if you are a finance personnel, then you can beat anybody. You can beat an engineer who writes the code, right? So our purpose is to actually make you understand the fact that the world is changing at its pace, and we need to also go with the trend. Okay. So first project is Excel training, which we are conducting, beginners, intermediate, and advanced. So this is the content for beginners: vocabulary, status bar, ribbon, clipboard, formatting cells, cell structure, inserting, deleting. I know that we are just going above the time, but it will take 5 to 10 minutes, and then we will take your doubts, and then we can sign off for the day. AutoSum, and these things are will be covered in beginners. The intermediate, we have a list of things like work with ranges, logical function, date time function, text function, sort, filter, query data, database function, outline, subtotal, analyzing data, visualizing data with charts. So data is something that is quite crucial in this world now. So analysis of data is equally important, right? So pivot tables, creating modified tables, these things we are going to cover in our sessions. Okay. and now advanced one. So this is interesting. So it has all the formulas which a professional like a chartered accountant uses. We look up, count if function, count if, sum if, filtering, criteria wise, performing calculation on filtered data. Then we have pivot tables, of course. Google Forms is something that is new. The forms that I have sent you has been prepared by me. The quiz also I have sent you has been prepared by me only. So this is again a very good tool. And of course, VBA. So VBA has been my favorite, and the world is going to ask for it in the days to come, where even professional like chartered accountant will be asked to write code so that our life can become easy. And at the end of the sheet, I'll show you one project that I've worked upon where I have created 37 sheets, and that too 37 sheets were created on the basis of VBA. So had I created that 37 sheets, by manual work, it would have been very difficult for me to complete the project at the given time. So these things have become, because the data is huge now. Data is very huge. You remember your fathers and forefathers used to write accounts on their bahi books and all and registers. Now it is not going to happen like that. Now it doesn't happen because the volume has gone up. And now in the coming days, the volume is going to go much more than what is expected. Each and everything has data, right from how you buy, what you buy, what kind of customer, area-wise customer, city-wise customer, state-wise customer, country-wise customer, world-wise customer. So data, there is immense data that is there, but we need professionals to actually analyze the data and take out some conclusions out of it. Okay. So yeah, this is our fee structure. So for beginners, we have, this fee structure, you can actually search at any level. You would not find this kind of fee structure for learning Excel. So you can check it at your end also. And as I told you that we all are into full-time jobs, those who are connected. The only purpose of ours is to create a community, and just to elaborate our community, we also need to have some funds. On that is on the basis of that we are actually charging this. So for beginners, 500 rupees is the charge, and intermediate 750, and advanced 1,000. So I'll share with you, those who are interested, of course, I'll share with you the details, and you share with me what level are you interested in, so that we can make the batches and we can actually go forward. Apart from that, this overall course, what we are talking about, 500, 10, 1,000, they are going to have 6 sessions. Okay, so 2 sessions, 1 session is today and 1 is tomorrow. So 2 sessions are demo, and 4 more sessions will be there on Excel for each, for each category, basis number of students. So if I get number of students who are beginners, right, I get 50% beginners is 50% advanced, and I don't get intermediate. So what I'll do is that I'll just make a single project, single group, and I'll start teaching beginners and advanced at the same time. Okay, the way I did today. So some topics of advanced, some topics of basics. Then further, with this registration, you are going to get a free Prime membership without any additional cost. So earlier we were applying to have 200 or 300 registration costs. Just usually you might be seeing in other institutes also. But for this lot, for this new lot, we have decided not to charge any additional amount. So once you enroll for this Excel course, you become part of our Prime member. We will have a separate group for Prime members, and those Prime members can actually see a lot of free content there. They'll get up to 30% discount on future courses that I have discussed, even SAP also. So SAP course, if you go in the market, it is not less than 25 to 30,000. So up to 30% discount we are giving on that also. So we are trying our best to get associated with as many professionals as we can, and hopefully we will somewhere be able to do that. So everybody can see the sheet and hear me. Thumbs up, please. Thumbs up, please. Thumbs up. Great. So these are the bank details I share with you. Whosoever is interested to actually join can make the payment and give the screenshot to my to my personal number on WhatsApp, and I'll register him. And that after registration, I'll give you a enrollment number which will be unique. Okay, some queries are coming. I'll just get back to the queries. So somebody is asking that whether you would be able to give any certificate. So okay, just a second. So it is Afreen, right? So yes, we are going to give you certificate, but see, the motive is not to actually certify you. The motive is to make you learn. So though we are going to give certificate, but don't do this course for just for certificate. Because we want you to actually use these tools in your practical life. Okay. So these are the bank details I'll share with you in the group as well. So benefits of Prime membership, you will be given unique enrollment number so that you can be identified easily. मतलब आपको एक unique number दिया जाएगा. You will be somewhere in a privileged group. Once you get registered, I have a Prime member group, and then on the basis of that, I am going to create a Prime member for Excel, and there would be a separate EOTG community for the Prime members, and you can enroll for that, and up to 30% discount will be given for all future courses. So for this course, we are not giving any discount, because any which way the cost is very low. So in coming courses, like if we talk about public speaking, if we talk about SAT, on those courses, yoga, or counseling also, one-to-one counseling also. So in those cases, we can give you up to 30% of discount on all future courses, right? Some more queries have come. Okay. So we don't have any application right now, right? You need to pay pay to the Google app, that is my account, and I need it is my treasury account of Google Pay that is connected. So through that we work right now, and we are going to plan a separate account for us. But for that we actually need some enrollment, at least 40 to 50 enrollment, so that we can actually expand, right? So free content on WhatsApp group to be created for Prime members separately. Prime members are going to get a free content. They are going to get quiz. They are going to get free videos. They are going to get free sessions. Just like I am planning to have on Sunday, one more session I am planning to have, where I am going to give a summary of a book. So that also I am planning, and that again will be for free, and that will be for Prime members only. But yeah, on the basis of the application. So if suppose till Friday, Saturday, if I don't get the application, then I'll not be able to do that. But yeah, if I get the applications, then there are each and every course of ours is not paid. Just like we are going to give like if I take a session of public speaking, so I am not going to have that paid. So if you actually full-fledged in a full-fledged manner, if you want to make career in public speaking, and then you register with us with a separate course, then the fees will be charged. Apart from that, the sessions that I am conducting right now for Excel also, Excel paid service is there. But yeah, the other courses like summary of books, motivational speeches, these things I am going to conduct right now. It is for free, and over the period of time we'll see how the response comes, and then we will see how we can move forward and somewhere grab more people. So that is it from my side, guys. Thank you very much for your time. It has been a great experience, and I hope that you might take something out of this this session. And somewhere I have tried my level best to make you understand. And trust me, I have worked in last 10 years. I have worked in more than 6 companies. I have seen people who just work just because they are good at Excel. Trust me on this. And if you learn Excel, we have Neeru, a professional like Neeru, who has been into Excel. He's also an Excel enthusiast, and I have met him like few years back. And when I was conducting the course, I also tried to connect him. So we have people like Neeru who have been into Excel, practicing into Excel for a long period of time. Actually, they have made their career into it. So you can actually make a career out of these things. So yeah, now it is all the portal onto you. You can ask questions, whatever questions you have. Any which ways, group is also open for questions. So if you have any questions, you can ask one to one right here. Okay. And one more thing, one more very important thing. I am going to share just after that. I am going to share a feedback form. I have seen that not many people are interested in filling the form, but it actually helps. I have given you the best example that I have given you the analysis that what question is getting. Even in quiz also I have got very good response also, and very good analysis where I can see that one question was getting wronged by each and every person. So these kind of statistics can only come when you actually fill these forms. It takes hardly 5 minutes. Okay. So I suggest you to I'll just give you a feedback form. I am not going to ask you to write anything. There would be like ratings, good, better, best, worst, whatever you want to give, you can give. Okay. There's no compulsion to it, and we want honest feedback. We are not going to have names and everything into it. Just a simple form would be there, how you liked and remarks. That's it. But I'll request you all to fill it so that I can get to know where to improve. If there is anything to improve, then I would be glad to do that. So now your questions, please, if there are any.
So total
Yes, Abhishek, you were saying something. Yeah, questions, please.
so total number of class.
Yeah, so I have told you that in that session, total 6 classes are there, 2 demo which we are attending right now. One is today and one is on Sunday, and 4 more sessions. So for Excel, the amount that you are going to pay, it is for the whole 6 sessions. Those who get registered, of course. And again, this Prime membership will help you to be connected with us. In that connection, how I'll tell you how you can benefit out of it. Suppose you work for a company, okay, and now you are working, you are doing some Excel sheet, and just like I got an error, you also got an error. Now you don't know who to approach. So now you have a group where you can put your queries, and you can put even your interest also. If you want some, you see, my plan is to take one session each week, irrespective of the fact that whether there are registration, whether there are no registrations. So what we are focused about is to have more interaction with you people. So if you can suggest, just like I have given you an example that I am going to take a session where I am going to actually summarize a book that I have read, right? So it will help you to get the details of the book. At the same time, you will be saved from spending time to actually read it. So we are going to summarize the book and give you the facts about it. This is also one of the session which is going to be free. So I am planning basis the request that come. Okay. So you can also suggest us the relevant exercises that you want to have. Yes, anybody else, please? So it is 2:18. So till 2:30 we can take the questions, and then we'll wrap up because many people might have some other work as well. And thank you very much for your patience listening. And I hope that we'll be in touch for a longer period of time. Yeah, questions, please. So seems like nobody has any question. Yes, Prashant. Yes, anybody, please.
Hello.
Yeah, Vanna.
Sir, suppose I join intermediate course for Excel.
Okay. Okay.
So how many sessions are needed for that?
See, what we are seeing is, see, your priority is intermediate, right? But
Yeah.
we'll teach you intermediate and we'll try to teach you some advanced also. We'll actually try to develop some interest in you so that you can go to advanced level also. So what, even though you are paying 750, but if the time permits, we are going to give you some glimpse about advanced Excel also. So in intermediate also we have a lot of stuff to cover. So basic formulas like VLOOKUP and some if we can make you learn also. There's no issue.
Thank you, sir.
So guys, who all are interested, I'll request you to make the payment as per the sheet that I'm going to share you. But the most important thing is that you need to share the screenshot with me. Otherwise, I would not be able to know who has paid, right? So who all are going to get registered, please do let me know through screenshots so that I can see the number of people, and likewise we are going to have the session. Okay. And whether you are interested or not, so Sunday session is for free. So whether if somebody is there who is not willing to join, then I'll also suggest you to go with the next session also, because it is free of cost. It is not taking anything out of you, and it is on Sunday. And we are going to have the classes on weekends only, so that everybody can actually utilize their weekend also. Most of the people are quite busy with their work in the week, so we are planning to have weekend classes also. So yeah, any other questions, please? Neeru? Neeru is there or not?
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Hi Neeru, how was it?
Hi, sir.
Did you like it?
Yeah, I like it. Nice, sir.
VBA?
Good job.
VBA मजा आया?
और बीबीए में क्या है सर? बीबीए का थोड़ा सा डिटेल बताएं सर.
सर VBA में देखिए, VBA में आई एम टेलिंग यू नीरू, जो भी आप चीज करते हो ना एक्सेल पे, जो भी आप चीज करते हो, जो भी आप कोई एक चीज का कोई भी एक एग्जांपल दो, वो आप VBA में कर सकते हो. आप एक कंडीशन डालते हो एक्सेल में, हम लोग VBA में भी डालते हैं.
बट बीबीए की एक्चुअली इतनी जरूरत नहीं लगी सर अभी तक.
हाँ, उसका रीजन ये है, देखिए मैं तुम्हें बताता हूँ. राइट, वेरी गुड पॉइंट. 2 मिनट, आई विल शेयर माय स्क्रीन.
क्योंकि फॉर्मूले को ही इतने कॉम्बिनेशन बना लेते हैं ना कि काम हो जाता है.
आई कंप्लीटली अंडरस्टैंड, बट मैं तुम्हें प्रैक्टिकल बताता हूँ, प्रैक्टिकल सिनेरियो बताता हूँ.
हाँ, वो थोड़ा सा प्रैक्टिकल समझ में आएगा.
हाँ, मैं बताता हूँ. मैं अपने वर्कशीट आपको बताता हूँ, तो उससे आपको समझ में आ जाएगा.
हाँ.
तो नीरू स्क्रीन दिख रही है आपको सबको, एवरीबॉडी?
हाँ, दिख
रही है ना. आई शो यू द मैजिक ऑफ VBA. ये भी मैंने जब सीखा ना, तब मैंने रियलाइज नहीं किया. जब मैं प्रैक्टिकली आया ना उस पे ऑन जॉब आया ना, तब मेरे को समझ में आया कि व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ इट. 2 मिनट, एक्सेल ओपन होगा. एनी अदर क्वेश्चंस आल्सो? देखो नीरू, ये एक्चुअली पूरा वो है, ये पूरा ना बैलेंस शीट रिकंसिलेशन है. ठीक है, बैलेंस शीट रिकंसिलेशन है, मतलब ये जितने हैं ना, ये GLs है, GL के बैलेंसेस हैं. ठीक है. अब मेरे को क्या किया गया था, मेरे को ये पूरी शीट दी गई थी अनलिंक्ड, कुछ लिंक नहीं था, और मेरे को सिर्फ ये वाला दिया था, ये टैब दिया था, जो 10001 दिख रहा है ना, ये दिया था. तो मेरे को बोला था कि कम से कम 50 GL जो है पूरे उस एंटिटी में, मतलब ये पूरी यूनिट का है, एक एंटिटी का है ये. ठीक है, उस एंटिटी में जितने भी GL हैं मान लो 50 हो, 100 हो, 150 हो। अब अपन टैली की बात करें, टैली में कितने जीएल्स होते हैं? गिरी से गिरी हालत में कम से कम 100
डिपेंड।
जीएल तो होते ही हैं, 50 जीएल
हाँ
होते
बहुत
हैं।
मिनिमम। हाँ
ठीक
बिल्कुल
है,
आराम
तो
से।
उनके रिकंसिलेशन जो
हाँ।
होते हैं ना, उनके ये मैं हाई लेवल बता रहा हूँ। इट इज मतलब वो जो 1000 करोड़ कंपनी है ना, उसके बता रहा हूँ मैं।
हाँ
ठीक है,
हाँ।
तो
हम्म
अब उन्होंने बोला कि यही फॉर्मूले सब कुछ यही होना चाहिए, और मेरे को 37 या 50 टाइम्स ये क्रिएट करो। अब मैं राइट क्लिक कर करके इंसर्ट कर करके उसको करता, तो व्हाट आई डिड वाज आई स्टार्टेड यूजिंग अ फॉर्मूला। तो आई जस्ट शो यू कि इसमें वो वाला फॉर्मूला है कि नहीं। देखो
हम्म
फॉर्मूला दिख रहा
दिख रहे हैं।
है ना?
ये
मैंने क्या किया, कॉपी पेस्ट शीट, और कितनी बार लिखा,
हम्म
जितनी बार मेरा वो था। तो मैंने क्या किया, उसको
हम्म
एक बार लिख के 50 बार पेस्ट किया, 100 बार पेस्ट किया,
हम्म
और एक बार रन
तो
किया।
50 टाइम इंसर्ट हो गया वो।
हाँ
सेम फॉर्मूले कॉपी पेस्ट।
हाँ, अभी मैं क्या करूंगा, मान लो अभी मैं तुम्हें लाइव एग्जांपल दिखाऊं। उसको ना मैं एक काम करूँ, थोड़ा स्लो हो
ये कौन
जाएगा।
सी वाली शीट से डेटा आ रहा फेच हो रहा है सब?
ये वाला,
पीपीएस का
ये पीपीएस
पिवट
वाला,
समरी।
ये वहाँ यहाँ से डेटा एक्सट्रैक्ट हो
हम्म
रहा है। और ये वाला पिवट है इसका मेन डेटा का। ये पीपीएस डेटा, ये मेन डेटा है। इसमें ये जीएल अकाउंट्स है, ये ऑल्ट अकाउंट्स है। ठीक है, तो ये डेटा हमको दिया जाता है, और ये पूरी शीट हमें बनानी पड़ती है, पिवट से लेके। ठीक है, ये प्रोजेक्ट के लेके ये पूरा जीएल, फिर जीएल में डिफरेंसेस भी आएंगे। जैसे ये डिफरेंस आ रहा है मेरे एसएपी में है, पीपलसॉफ्ट में नहीं है, तो ये डिफरेंस है। तो ये डिफरेंस आइडेंटिफाई करना रहेगा ऐसा। ठीक है, तो ये है
ये
प्रैक्टिकल उसका।
कोडिंग है डिफरेंट जीएल की। ठीक है ओके।
हाँ,
ठीक ठीक।
तो ये पूरे जीएल से। अब ये तो मेरे मेरे मैं लकी था 37 पे। अगर 100 होते तो क्या करता, राइट क्लिक कर करके परेशान हो जाता। राइट,
आई हैव अल्टरनेट फॉर दिस।
हाँ, यू माइट हैव अल्टरनेट फॉर इट, बट मेरे को तो वीबीए बहुत इजी लगा। आई
हाँ हाँ
कंप्लीटली
हाँ।
एग्री, उसका कोई अल्टरनेट होगा
आपको
definitely।
हाँ हाँ आपको एक चीज बताई थी मैंने, शायद आपको याद हो।
मैं
डिफरेंट टूल।
अभी यार उस टाइम तो मेरे को वीबीए ही याद आया, क्योंकि मैंने वीबीए सीखा हुआ था, और
हाँ
मेरे को काफी इजी भी लगा उसको जनरेट करना।
हम्म
तो
हाँ
वैसा है।
हाँ कुछ इस तरह की एकदम एडवांस चीजें होती हैं जहाँ हमें एडवांस लेवल लगता है।
हम्म,
हम्म,
तो ये बहुत इजी और इजी वे में हो जाता है। मतलब
हाँ
जो मतलब घंटों का काम है वो मिनटों में हो जाता है।
हाँ हाँ
ठीक
हाँ
है,
बिल्कुल।
और इसमें कोई हाई
क्या
लेवल
सर क्या
कोडिंग
है,
भी उसके बाद।
सभी सभी लोग साथ में हैं। देखो मैं बताना चाहूंगा, मैं भी करीबन 12 साल हो गए मेरे को। आई हैव 12 ईयर अकाउंटिंग एक्सपीरियंस। लोग काम तो चला लेते हैं जैसे तैसे, एक्सेल आता है छोटा मोटा, बट क्या रहता है कि जो काम हम आधे घंटे में कर सकते हैं उसके लिए 2 दिन लग जाते हैं। ये
राइट
होता
राइट,
है
वेरी
प्रैक्टिकली।
वेरी ट्रू। हाँ बिल्कुल सही है, बिल्कुल सही
यू
है।
हैव आइडिया। हमेशा कोई नई चीज आपको खुद डिस्कवर करनी होती है।
बिल्कुल सही है।
हमेशा कोई सिखाने नहीं आता। आज राहुल जी भी हैं, मैं भी ये है, तो कुछ बेसिक फॉर्मूले आपको बता देंगे, लेकिन लाइफ में आपके पास कुछ ऐसी नई सिचुएशन होगी जहां आपको अपना फॉर्मूला खुद डिजाइन करना पड़ेगा।
ना, हाँ बिल्कुल सही है। तो मेरा भी यही फैक्ट है
वो कैसे
कि
आएगा? हाँ।
तो हम लोगों को वही है कि हम लोगों का मेन पर्पस है आपका इंटरेस्ट डेवलप करना। जब आपका इंटरेस्ट डेवलप होगा तो आप
इंटरेस्ट
खुद ही आप ही अपने
आप खुद
फॉर्मूले
बना
बनाओगे।
लोगे।
बिल्कुल।
आप खुद बना
तो
सकते हो फिर।
बिल्कुल 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 सही है। वेरी वेरी नाइस पॉइंट, वेरी नाइस पॉइंट
मैंने
नीरू।
एक फॉर्मूला ग्रुप में देखा, फर्स्ट टाइम इतना बड़ा फॉर्मूला बनाया।
हाँ राइट राइट, देखा मैंने।
अल्टीमेट छोटा 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 मॉडिफाई कर करके एक कॉम्बिनेशन बन गया।
राइट राइट राइट, मैंने देखा, इट वाज वेरी गुड।
हाँ
So guys, I guess that is it for today. So we'll meet on Sunday again, or stay in touch in group. Okay. So thank you very much for your time, and see you. Okay.